the last video, we tried how to run macros with the help of UiPath. So today we'll run macros with the UiPath only, but how we can pass this parameters to this VBA. Okay. So for that, first of all, we need to open this macro. So this is my macro file. So macro file every time it's having the format is .xlsm. So if it is not in the format, then we are not able to write this code. So if you want to pass the parameters, so just I will try to do this here. For example, so just I pass this parameter here. So now let me take this sample. Okay, let me go to that one more time. So I need to update this message box. So in this message box, I will kept as this data. Let me take this data. Okay, just we created this one. So what we create, just we created this small macro. This is a parameter. How we can pass? This is a parameter. So in this parameter, whatever the data, if you want, you can just pass it. So just this is a thing is completed here. So now next thing is, so what we need to do? So we need to take this. Okay. So we need to take this one. So if you want to run this macro, so mandatory you need the Excel application scope. So if it is not Excel application scope, then we are not able to run that. So after this, we need to take one more activity, which we called execute macro. So just type execute, or else you can just type macro. So execute macro, take drag and drop, and here macro file is sample. Okay, and I will pass this file. So this is my file path. So everything is done. Now just go to these properties here. So once you go these properties and you can see this something, just go to execute macro and you can see this macro parameters and macro. So as of now, we are getting, I mean, just passing this macro parameters. Okay. So here, whatever I want just pass this techystack. Okay, I just updated this parameter. So now I will try to run and we'll see what output will appear here. So Excel file it's opening. I mean Excel file means the macro file opening and its performance. And we can see this data has been done. So this is the way how we can pass this data from UiPath to macro. So for example, right now I have passed this only one parameters. So if I have multiple parameters, so just keep this comma and after this you can pass this UiPath or else you can pass this automation. So you can pass how many parameters if you require as per the project. So you can pass those many parameters. So still, if you not subscribe to TechStack channel, please subscribe to TechStack channel for more videos. And now let me open this. So if I run directly, for example, I declare the parameters there only. So I forget to declare the parameters in the macro file. So what will happen? It will throw this error. So let's look what type of error it will throw this. So just I kept this step into and here saying that so execute macro number of parameters specified does not match with the expected. So what we did here means so I declare the parameters as with three parameters I declared. So techstack, UiPath and automation. But so when I go inside, so let me go this code. So Alt F11 is a shortcut key for me. It's not working Alt F11. So that's why I'm navigating with the mouse clicks. So if you check here, so you just pass only the one thing. So we are not passes many things. So just I will pass here data one. You can keep it names as per your wish. So as of now, I make it as data one, data two, data three. So this is done. After this message box of data one. Okay, again I will take message box of data two, message box of data three. This is done. So I just pass this parameters here. So now I'm just closing this one. Let me say one more time. And this is done. So let me stop this and I'm executing the one more time. So this time what will happen? It will pop up the three parameters. So which we got get from the UiPath to VBA. So it's running. And you can see first parameter which we pass is techystack, and second parameter I pass is UiPath. It's just that double click done, and finally you got this automation. So like this, we can pass parameters from UiPath to VBA. So next video we can try to execute how we can get output from the VBA to UiPath. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.